miawezo, togbio, socio, miawezo, miawe bona dowoga, miawe dowom, miawezo lo, miawezo, miawe la doji, miawezo, miawe la kaoma, miawe la huoma, miawezo, miedo ja, nami, miawezo lo. Miesie oba mi atogbi okri mama oho nwa oho chia ye wonto kata o la fia na nkwaro la she wonto okpoga ta onye ba mi atogbi o la mi adoma mi ayo ma usogbo lisa be wava wo na okplimi tamre kuku ashikpa na di ye mianto mia oba church boko kakoga be osofo mia for osofo Reverend Dr. Cyril Fayose papa dogbera le wo na okata aji.
My God.
Yo, akpa baraku Reverend Dr. Fayose mal miadomo. Akami have Felix Kajaglo, sikenya Synod Clerk na Westwater Presbytery. Yapa ipi church katan la gain. Vasede adenta yinya banglaji glano. Akba yanye tonyo pa treasure.
Hallelujah. Barakumina mikata mi wodeka. Mia atema wodeka klim be cho January vasere egbe. Yeho ekpo mikata miata. Imi vale afififi la tami wodeka klim. Mia dak bena yeho akọ wona okata da shine. Na mia jiha he akọ kafi fonko ado fonko reji. Ma jiha na ma onye da e ma dak bene. Me pele nu okata me be lon vivien vava nu bla ne popo jile ne. Ma follow no lida tami aji le chistre no ame wa ta wa chitele do ki bobo me nya ji adogbara akọ wona okata da shi na Yehowa majihana mawunyega eye ma dakpeneha mekpe lenu wokata me belwa vevie vava noblani popo jiline nolo te de seyefu.
So for that matter, he's the judge of the Anglo Council. Nano glomre kwa shikpana no didin vi. Aha. Ye ali aka mfiafia pli sosro la jimaneta le jilao pli mfialao fa haboboma le sogasco yenya ame aka le onchi ye adeva yiha yenya dukokata fa PTA chairman. Miapa fia ha yenya chairman for Anyako Council of Chiefs. Unchuda share companion here ni. Oba Adam and Eve, man and wife. Tado dasro. Asro la fia kaka in due time amiakata mikpoga no talk be kwanyaba o talk bi ankula shinto. Anya fofona miakata. He's a philosopher, a friend, a father, and a philanthropist. Please, with a resounding round of applause, please help me welcome our chairman for today's event, Torgbui Fianyo Dukli, Akolia of Anyako. Mashku Ashikpa Nadi.
Torgbui o, Mama o, Torgbui Kposegee enelia ve zikpito amakpakpa tɔxɛwo emɔɖaŋu dɔwɔlawo nyadzɔdzɔŋlɔlawo yiwo le mía dome ame yiwo tso mía da nyako koŋ seva ŋutɔa me duadza menyi badami edo dza tɔxɛ nami ne wole eɖɔ nya gblɔma ame kawoe woyɔna maɖe nya dzo ta maɖe kuku na mi be miakpe ɖe zimenɔla ŋuti be gba ƒe kɔƒoɖoa wòadze fia to adze gawo to akpanami miava doge makozialo makozianami
Ajima no la na nya kata kwa mi lafia ye magbona mic akogani makuku ashikpa ma dinyi ode oh akpa
agbaba sọ̀rọ̀ fún àmì sọ̀rọ̀ à onye sọ̀rọ̀ fún tọ̀hé à le fia gblemenya onchi à mi nyi ba na velia veta enonyi yata zima no la mi ekpa na agbaba nkeke antontontonto à yenye mi anglo kata va abadada agbesi ausu evelia ye mi ekpa de aza kakayo nyakuhe ado vakuita ye domda baba no yetapa yata dem ye pom la fia male abadada ausi agbesi evelia va fodo agba nyinya abada la fia agba na ma jo fia kwa kanya abada ba do awunu tama la fia ba abada na agba le mi adoma o jaba mana mi anyaba abada foto me malalo akpanami.
Welcome and rest. Fiato / chairman of planning committee. Fiato chairman of planning committee ama Marakayo. I'm a vovoe. That is either by the Fiato or the chairman of the planning committee for the anniversary. The chairman is not here. However, enye Fiato that enye the moga do is on me. Never my correction of never young la agru of chairman I the mom that enye Fiato enye the mom. Azu amoga manyaba program ya la moji ya mo turo mu ika ado mo samia dagba kenya bagba ta magba vazu doga mano bromre ya fugba ma afi aga glodora fugba ma Torgbui chairman. Torgbui Dukuli Atipo. Torgbui Mamia, oh, you are representing, but you are our chairman. So I have to recognize you as such. Torgbui Mamia, Wike Lafia, Torgbui Damu, Atamu, Mamao, we have Torgbui Tami Lafiero, Torgbui Kposegee Analia, we have Amakpakpa Bubunato, Fuma Kata, Tuko Maga Jacob, Adoko, Ikenya, Mavinyena ya, Fiaga of Angron Wetu, Fiaga of Anyako Wetu, and the head of the Like clan. I say to you, you are most welcome. feel at home. Torgbui Chairman, with your permission, I would like to give a small insight into how Torgbui Kposegee the fourth came to be. Torgbui Kposegee the fourth was installed on the Royal Kposegee stool on 3rd October 2003. 3rd October 2003 at Anyanko as a successor to Torgbui Kposegee III, known in private life as Herbert Komi Henyo, who reigned from 1957 to 2003. Torgbui Kposegee III succeeded Torgbui Kposegee II, who ruled from 1800 to 1905. Before him was Torgbui Kposegee I, who was known in private life as Kou Sakramaniho. Komi Sakramaniho. The name Kposegee was actually an appellation which became the stool name. Kposegee ahanonko nye ikevanye sikwia aponko ofone roba Kposegee ebe yefongu deba nko bubu gala ngfun ebe brekata fia kwa kanyigba valazo. He was a direct son of Torgbui Gujo no agbanashiku amasimaku Togolo me konko alenko sen no agbanashiku amasimaku Togolo. Torgbui Togolo was known as a very brave and courageous warrior and hunter, a warlord, an explorer, community and spiritual leader, founder of the Like clan, of Anglo and beyond. And he was the commander of the right wing of the military formation of the Ewes, as they came from their ancestral home at Nochi to the present settlements. So you can see the accolades. That the first commander of the right wing of the military formation of the Ewes is a man of the Like clan. He established 12 war chieftain stools, one of which is the Kposegee, who led the Anglos in many wars, including the Balenu Wars 1 and 2, otherwise known as Nunube Wars 1 and 2, fought in 1750 and 1757, and also the Datsu-Tagba War, fought in 1865 to 1866. So you see the leadership role of the Kposegees, or the occupants of the Kposegee stool, the role that they played in leading the Anglos to the present settlement. This is just a short sketch of the route of the Royal Kposegee stool, which is occupied today by our revered Torgbui Kposegee IV, who we are celebrating. Torgbui Chairman, the decision to celebrate this 20th anniversary and the launching that we are about to do today was taken by the Council of Elders in consultation with Torgbui himself. The council was established or constituted for Torgbui in December last year. And as the fiator of Torgbui, I am the chairman of that council. The lunch that we are witnessing today is a notice to prepare us for the main event, which will come off tentatively on March 2nd, 2024. That's next year. So that's approximately some 2 months. We are in December, January, February, approximately 2 months from hence. Torgbui Togolo will come down maternally, paternally. Look at all the families. We believe we have more than 200 families within that. And if we can get that genealogy done, it will be something that will bring all those families together. Because until 10 years ago, I did not even know that I relate to Torgbui on my right-hand side here. It was because of an occasion that I got to know we are even related. And we want to use this anniversary also to build up a family tree so that we can know ourselves and know our roots and know our stories. Because each and everyone has a story. We also want to use this occasion, this anniversary, to establish a platform that will seek for an enhanced cooperation and collaboration with chiefs of all ranks at Anyako Kunu and the traditional area and the Angron traditional area as a whole, to provide a formalized and united leadership of chiefs for social and economic development of our towns and villages. The cooperation, we would like to see our chiefs cooperate more, have a united front, and fight for development of our area. Hitherto, we are not really seeing that, but we would like to use this to seek to promote that, so that chiefs in our area, being the souls of the area, can come together, stop the petty squabbles, and present a front so that we can also get part of the national cake. Even the Weto division alone, or the Weto core alone, we believe we have a number of chiefs there. Even there, the core there, the unity is not as we think it should be. So we'll start from there, move to the whole Anyako and the Angron traditional area. This is also to honor and celebrate our own chiefs. We're going to use this as a basis to honor and celebrate our own chiefs, our cultural heritage, and the cultural heritage of our cultural heritage as people. The chiefs are the custodians of our culture. If we celebrate them, we celebrate our culture and we celebrate ourselves. Right now, we are lost. And lastly, we would like this to be a prelude to the celebration of a silver jubilee in 5 years to come. So it's more or less, by 5 years' time, all these things that have been outlined would have gotten them into solid state. I have greetings for you from our patrons. The Council of Elders has patrons. We have 4 patrons. Unfortunately, they're not here today, but they have asked me to send you greetings and to welcome you to this function. I also wish to take this opportunity as the Fiator and the chairman of the council to, on behalf of the council, appreciate and sincerely thank Dr. Harry Ponu Dawson. Dr. Dawson is a member of the Council of Elders. He had magnanimously made available to us his facilities to use for all our meetings free of charge. Not only making the facilities available, he was providing meals and snacks free of charge. And where we are meeting now is making it available to us to have this free of charge. Dr. Dawson, Mauna Yirao, Nagawe Osubo Waya. Kaka ya yira da na kora mikata miaji. Haba mikata miakuda akpadang noga yingo ya. Amara kama ina soto. Ta Mauna Yire. I warmly, on this note, warmly welcome you to this occasion. Miawezo. Miava dog. Aponami. I salute you.